My name is Milia Jabour. I am the ambassador of Lebanon to China. We started our trip in Shanghai and then we arrived to Zhejiang. In Shanghai, we were able to visit some of the historical places where the Communist Party started working and how it developed. And in Zhejiang also we had the opportunity to visit one of the most famous places where the Communist Party had its one of its first meetings, the Red Bull. And luckily we were able also to see the development of this wonderful province. We're also happy to listen a bit to the story of the CPC unfolding since 100 years ago and how they started very small. And then now it's 92 million persons, party members. So this story is very important because without the help of people, if this party wouldn't have reflected a bit the desires and the needs of the people, it wouldn't have been so developed and so widely accepted in China. The most wonderful thing, and I think it's a lesson for all of us in the world, is how China managed to alleviate poverty. And this is very important. Not only for China, but for humanity, because China represents 1/6 of the population of the world. But at the same time, the challenge that is coming is how to reduce the gap between urban and rural, not only in terms of income, but also in terms of technology. What I will always state and mention as an example, which we can use in my country and everybody's countries, is alleviation of poverty. So this is really what I think is we can write books and books and read books and manage to exchange experiences from that.